Today, I am reviewing ZAFRO 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a versatile, powerful, and convenient cooling solution for your home or office, the ZAFRO 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner might just be the perfect fit. Designed to cool spaces up to 450 square feet, this compact and efficient AC unit is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, offices, or dormitories where you want to stay comfortable without investing in a full HVAC system. First, let's talk about its cooling power. With a rated 10,000 BTU capacity, this portable air conditioner effectively handles medium-sized rooms, and the temperature is fully adjustable between 62 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you want a brisk, refreshing chill or a milder cool, you can fine-tune it to your preference. One of the standout features is its 3-in-1 functionality. Beyond cooling, it also functions as a dehumidifier and a fan, giving you complete climate control year-round. The two adjustable fan speeds allow you to customize airflow based on your needs, whether you're reading, working, or sleeping. Convenience is at the heart of the ZAFRO design. This unit comes with a fully functional remote control and an easy-to-read LED display, so you can adjust settings from across the room without ever leaving your seat. It also features a 24-hour programmable timer, allowing you to set your air conditioner to turn on or off at specific times. This not only ensures comfort when you need it, but also saves energy and lowers your electricity bill. Portability is another major advantage. The ZAFRO AC is equipped with smooth rolling casters and side handles, making it easy to move from room to room. Whether you want to cool the bedroom at night or the living room during the day, relocating the unit is effortless. And because it's compact and lightweight for its class, it won't take up excessive space. One feature that's particularly useful for nighttime comfort is the sleep mode. Sleep mode automatically adjusts the temperature and fan speed to a quieter, energy-efficient setting. The AC runs at 53 decibels or less, providing a peaceful environment for uninterrupted rest. This makes it perfect for light sleepers or anyone who wants a quiet, calming atmosphere while staying cool. From a user-friendly perspective, the ZAFRO Portable AC is designed to make maintenance simple. It includes a water full indicator to alert you when the water tank reaches capacity, preventing overflow and potential messes. The unit's fittings are washable and easy to clean, and the auto shutoff feature ensures the system powers down automatically if it ever overheats, protecting both the unit and your home. Installation is surprisingly straightforward. The package includes a window kit, exhaust hose connector, and water pipe, making setup fast and convenient. It works with double or single-hung windows, as well as sliding windows, so most standard home windows are compatible. Once installed, you simply plug it in, set your desired temperature, and you're ready to enjoy cool, refreshing air. In summary, the ZAFRO 10,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner offers an excellent combination of power, portability, and user-friendly features. From its adjustable cooling modes, dehumidifier function, and quiet sleep mode, to the remote control, LED display, and easy portability, it's designed to make your home or office more comfortable in any season. If you're seeking a reliable, efficient, and versatile portable AC that won't break the bank but will keep you cool and comfortable, the ZAFRO 10,000 BTU unit is a top contender. With strong cooling performance, thoughtful design, and easy portability, this unit is ideal for anyone looking to beat the heat while keeping things simple and convenient. Whether it's for a living room, bedroom, office, or dorm, the ZAFRO Portable AC ensures you stay cool, refreshed, and comfortable no matter the temperature outside.